Hello, my name is MSM Mohammed and my registration number is SA246101553. I worked on redesigning the homepage of Expographic book website. In part 1 of our assignment, we identified several issues related to the homepage. One of the main problem was the page looked very cluttered. There were too many elements placed close together, which made it difficult for users to understand where to focus. Users also mentioned that the search function was not clearly visible, even though searching is the one of the most important tasks in the online bookstore, right? Another issue was the navigation structure. The menu items were not very clear, and users had to spend figuring out where to click. This created confusion and slowed down their interaction with the website. To solve these issues, I redesigned I redesigned the homepage using the more clean and structured layout. First, I placed a large search bar at the top of the center page. This makes it immediately visible and easy to access, which improves usability because users can quickly search for books without confusion. Next, I divided the homepage into clear sections such as categories, new variables, which is very this reduces clutter and helps user understand the structure of the page more easily. Each section is grouped properly so users can quickly scan and find what they need. I also simplified the navigation bar and placed it consistently below the header. This improves consistency and makes navigation more predictable for users. Additionally, I increased spacing between elements and used clear grouping to improve readability. In terms of design principles, I mainly applied visibility, hierarchy, consistency, and simplicity. Important elements are now easy to see. The layout is organized in a logical way and unnecessary clutter has been reduced. Overall, this redesigned homepage makes it much easier for users to navigate, search, and interact with the website efficiently.
So this is my uh, category page and the low fidelity prototype. The user faced difficulty in filtering products and comparing items due to the lack of filtering option. So in my design, I have added the uh, filter panel in the left side, so the user can easily uh, categorize the um, name of the books and the brand and availability and according to the author, so it's easy to identify the books and also whether it is available or not at the moment. So I have added in that added the filter panel in the left side, and also the product layout is simplified into structured grid with clear spacing and reducing visual clutter like breadcrumb navigation is also included to the user to help and understand the location within the website. I also have added the sort list, so according to the user they can easily put their amount of the book they are looking for, and they can easily search for that book also according to that. These changes may improve user to control and efficiency, navigation clarity, uh, and following principles of grouping and consistency and usability. So I think it should be a good update to this website. Thank you.
In part 1, it was identified that the product detail page lacked clear visual hierarchy and important information was not emphasized. In this redesign, the layout is divided into two sections: product image on the left and product details on the right. Key information such as product name, price, and availability and clearly highlighted. The Add to Cart button is made larger and more visible to improve user interaction. Additional information is organized into tabs to reduce clutter. This design improves hierarchy, readability, and interaction, following principles of visibility, consistency, and accessibility.
In part 1 of our design evaluation, we identified several usability issues with the original new arrivals page. Firstly, the layout was repetitive, making it difficult for user to quickly scan through products. Secondly, the search function appeared too technical, which could confuse user and discourage them from using it effectively. To address these issues, this redesigned prototype focuses on simplicity and user friendliness. One of the key improvements is the search bar. It has been simplified with clear, easy to understand text so that users can immediately know what to do without any confusion. In addition, filters and sorting options have been introduced. These features allow users to quickly narrow down their choices based on categories such as books, kids, business, and stationery. This improves navigation and saves time, especially when there are many products available. Another important improvement is the redesign of the product cards. Each product is now clearly separated with proper spacing, making the page less cluttered and easy to read. A new label is also added to highlight newly arrived items, helping users quickly identify them without searching too much. Furthermore, essential information such as the product name and price is clearly displayed and well organized. This ensures that user can easily compare items and make decisions without confusions. Overall, these improvements enhance readability, usability, and user experience. The design follows key principles such as simplicity, proper grouping of elements, and accessibility, making the interface more intuitive and user friendly.